Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how material selection guidance function help you to find the best material for your product. This is the icon for this function. Press the button and we can see the main screen. The left side is the searching area. The right side is the display area. It's easy to find the best material from MHC. First step is to determine what application field is for your product. And what is the characteristics of your product. Well, once we determine the field of application, for example, the aircraft applications, then it will show the suggested materials. This pie chart shows the summary of suggested materials from the database. Let's click one of the suggested materials and the right side will show the corresponding data of the processing method, plastic feature and the supplier's website. Usually, the first link is the manufacturer. The screen shows manufacturer's website after clicking it. The following shows the agent's websites. In addition, the 6 physical properties of this plastic material are also displayed here, including viscosity, specific volume, heat capacity, thermal conductivity, mechanical properties and process conditions, etc. That's all about material selection guidance. Thank you.